हेलो गाइज वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस क्लास रे आमे केमिस्ट्री स्टार्ट करथिलु जे सब सेथिरु स्टार्ट करबा जोटु छाड़थिलु। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच मेटल इज यूज्ड इन स्टोरेज बैटरी? राइट आंसर इज लीड। लीड रो सिंबल होछि Pb। व्हिच ऑफ द एलिमेंट बिहेव्स केमिकल बोथ एज मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल? राइट आंसर इज बोरॉन। अब तार symbol hela B. The first metal used by man was copper. C symbol. Next, gold, silver, platinum and mercury are called noble metal. The special smell in onion and garlic is due to the presence of potassium. Potassium ro symbol K. Which metal is known as metal of the future? Right answer is titanium. Symbol hela Ti. Titanium is called strategic metal because it is lighter than iron. Next, which metal is known as rainbow metal? Right answer is iridium. Next, the natural element having highest atomic weight? Uranium. Symbol U. The metal that is present in photofilm is silver. Symbol Ag. Which element pollutes the air? Right answer is lead. The chemical name of rat poison is zinc phosphide. The wire of flash bulb is made of magnesium, Mg. Next, chocolate can be bad for health because it contains high presence of which element? Right answer is nickel, Ni. Potassium permanganate is used to purifying drinking water because it is a oxidizing agent. Next, how many inert gases are in the modern periodic table? Right answer is 6. So with helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Next, who discovered helium gas? Perry James and Norman Lockyer. Where the helium gas is used? Right answer is filling balloon, weather related information and tire of the aircrafts, etc. Helium gas is filled in balloon because it is lighter than air. The gas used in the respiratory activity of sailor or driver are oxygen and helium. Who discovered neon gas? Right answer is Sir William Ramsay and Maurice M. Tavor. Where the neon gas is used? Right answer is neon bulb and fluorescent bulb रे यूज होता है. Who discovered argon gas? Sir William Ramsay and Lord Rayleigh. Where the argon gas is used? Right answer is arc welding and fill incident light of bulb. Inert gas found most abundantly in our atmosphere is argon. Who discovered krypton gas? Right answer is Sir William Ramsay and M. Maurice Travels. Next, where the krypton gas is used? Right answer airport runway and approach light. Which gas is called stranger gas? Xenon. Where the xenon gas is used? Right answer is high intensity short explorer photographic flash tube, etc. Who discovered radon gas? Right answer is Friedrich Ornsdorf. Next, where the radon gas is used? Right answer for the treatment of cancer or radiotherapy. The process of extracting metal in pure from its ore is known as metallurgy. The compound of metal found in nature is called minerals. Next, those minerals from which metal can be economically and easily extracted are called ores. All ores mineral, but all minerals are not ores. Next, what are the ores of sodium? Sodium resemble Na element. Right answer is sodium chloride, sodium carbonate, sodium nitrate and sodium sulfate. What are the ores of potassium? K element. Right answer is nitrite and carnite. What are the ores of manganese? Mg element. Right answer is magnesite, dolomite, carnallite, Epsom salt. What are the ore of the calcium element? Cm. Calcite, fluorspar, fluorspar, asbestos. What are the ore of copper? Cu. Cuprite, copper glance, copper pyrites. Next. Ore of aluminium: bauxite, cryolite, corundum, dispore. Ore of silver: Ag element, ruby silver, horn silver. What is the ore of mercury? Hg element. Right answer is cinnabar and vermilion. What is the ore of tin? Sn element, caesiterite. What are the ores of lead? Pb element, galena and cyrosite. What are the ores of iron? Fe element. Right answer is hematite, magnetite, limonite and siderite. Next, what are the ores of uranium? Carnotite, pitch blende. What is the ore of thorium element? Right answer is monazite. What are the ores of gold element? Right answer is calaverite, sylvanites. Ore of zinc element: zinc blende, zincite, calamine. What are the ore of cadmium? Cd element है greenoisite. What is the ore of antimony? Sb stibnite. The ores is generally associated with earthly impurity like sand, rocks and limestone known as gangoche or matrix. Heating of a ore below its melting point in the absence of air is known as calcination. Heating of ores below its melting point in the presence of air is known as roasting. In roasting, the ores of generally convert into metal oxide. The substance which is added in ores during the process, the process of smelting to remove impurities is called flux. Next, how many types of flux? Two types. गोटे है acid flux, गोटे basic flux. The combination of gauge impurities with flux in ores from fusible material is known as slag. Slag is a product of flux and impurities. Next, in refining the impure metal is made anode. In electrode refining, the pure metal is made cathode. The reduction of oxide ore with carbon at high temperature is known as smelting. The process of separation of gauge or matrix from the ores is called concentration of ore. Next, the extraction process of the pure metal from impure metal under the suitable condition is called refining of metal. The metallic surface are affected by the moisture, water, air, etc. is called corrosion of the metal. Corrosion of iron is called rusting. Rust is a mixture of Fe2O3 into 3H2 and FeO. Next, when a iron nail get rust, iron oxide form with increase in the weight of the nail. Rusting of iron takes place due to oxidation. The metal used to galvanize iron to protect it from rusting is zinc. The mixture of two metal or a metal and non-metal is called alloy. Alloy is example of solid sol. Alloy of mercury are called amalgam. Amalgam is a mixture of any metal and mercury. Brass is an alloy of zinc and copper. Bronze is a alloy of copper and tin. Next, gunmetal is an alloy on copper, tin and zinc. German silver is alloy of copper, nickel and zinc. Solder is an alloy of lead and tin. Next, ball metal is alloy of copper and tin. Next, stainless steel is a alloy of iron, chromium, nickel and carbon. Steel is mainly an alloy of iron and carbon. Next, barbite metal is an alloy of tin, antimony, copper, nickel and chromium. Next, white metal is an alloy of copper, lead, tin and antimony. Lead, tin and antimony. Next, magmalium is an alloy of aluminium and magnesium. Duralumin is an alloy of aluminium, copper, manganese and magnesium. Next, which material is used to make electric heater coil? Right answer is nichrome. The material used for electric fuse in an alloy of tin and lead. This alloy should have high specific resistance and low melting point. Where the alloy solder used for soldering. Next, aqua regia is a 1:3 mixture by volume of constant nitric acid and constant hydrochloric acid. Where the ferrous oxide is used, prepare ferrous salt and green glass. Where the ferric oxide used, jewelers rod. Where the silver nitrate is used, right answer is prepare to ink. Where the silver iodine is used, artificial rain. where the mercuric chloride is used. Right answer is paper, calamine and as a poison. Where the hydrogen peroxide is used. Right answer is oxidizing agent, bleaching agent, as a insecticide and for washing old oil paintings. आदिर क्वेश्चन आंसर आम एतिक रखा एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट. थैंक यू सो मच.